America possesses weapons capable of completely vanishing from enemy radar. Today, we reveal exactly how they truly operate. Inside this classified hangar sits the F-22 Raptor, widely considered the world's most dangerous stealth fighter jet. Ground crew inspect every component meticulously, knowing even the smallest oversight could compromise the entire mission completely. Technicians carefully load precision-guided missiles into the internal weapons bay, securing each one with practiced, deliberate movements. The pilot suits up in a specialized pressure suit, a moment separating ordinary life from the intensity of aerial combat.
For more exclusive military breakdowns, subscribe and follow now.
The jet taxis steadily toward the runway, engines building power gradually, preparing for what comes next entirely. Suddenly, engines roar at full power, launching the Raptor skyward in a blinding burst of raw acceleration. Climbing above the clouds, the aircraft activates its stealth systems, disappearing almost entirely from enemy radar detection. Inside the cockpit, a blinking radar signal reveals an approaching enemy aircraft, signaling that danger has arrived. The pilot locks onto the target instantly, a flashing warning confirming that combat has now become unavoidable. The weapons bay opens mid-flight, releasing a guided missile that streaks forward toward its intended target rapidly. As the enemy responds, the Raptor banks sharply, deploying flares to escape any incoming counterattack, completely unharmed. With the mission complete, the jet descends toward home, landing gear extending as ground crew wait patiently below. This is Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, home to the world's most feared strategic stealth bomber, the B-2 Spirit. Its unique flying wing design eliminates the tail entirely, making this aircraft nearly invisible across most modern radar systems. Engineers carefully load massive precision-guided bombs into the internal weapons bay, securing each one with mechanical precision. Only 2 pilots operate this massive bomber, climbing aboard to prepare for an extraordinarily long strategic mission ahead. The bomber taxis slowly toward the runway, its massive wingspan dominating the frame as engines steadily build power.
All 4 engines strain together, lifting this enormous aircraft skyward in a slow, deliberate, and powerful ascent. Cruising at extreme altitude, the bomber travels thousands of miles, slipping quietly toward hostile territory, completely undetected.
Inside the cockpit, a satellite-guided targeting system locks precisely onto a distant enemy military installation with confirmed coordinates.
The massive bomb bay doors open silently mid-flight, revealing precision munitions prepared for their final devastating descent. One by one, the bombs release from the aircraft, streaking downward through darkness toward their intended target below. A distant explosion lights up the ground below, while the bomber quietly banks away, already vanishing into the night. Hours later, the B-2 returns home at dawn, landing gently as ground crew welcome back a successfully completed mission. Far out at sea, aboard a U.S. Navy aircraft carrier, the F-35 Lightning II stands ready for its next critical mission. This jet is unique, capable of vertical landing, allowing it to operate from small airfields other aircraft simply cannot use. Deck crew in colorful uniform move with practiced speed, each person fulfilling a precise role in preparing for launch. Technicians load precision-guided munitions carefully, preparing this jet for a targeted strike against ground-based enemy positions. The pilot settles into the cockpit, equipped with an advanced helmet display offering complete, unmatched 360-degree awareness. The steam catapult launches the jet with tremendous force, hurling the F-35 airborne within a mere 2 seconds. 2 additional jets join the formation, all 3 now heading together toward the coastline for their strike mission. Onboard sensors detect an enemy air defense system positioned on the ground, immediately flagging it as a serious threat. The F-35 releases its precision-guided bomb, streaking downward toward the coastal target, with remarkable calculated accuracy. Suddenly, a surface-to-air missile launches in response, forcing the jet into a sharp, immediate evasive climbing maneuver. Mission complete. The F-35 returns to the carrier at dusk. Arresting hook lowered and ready for a precise landing. The arresting cable catches the aircraft instantly, bringing it to a sudden stop safely upon the carrier deck. At a remote desert airbase, the MQ-9 Reaper drone waits silently, ready for a mission controlled from thousands of miles away. Inside a darkened control station, an operator watches multiple live camera feeds, guiding the aircraft with remarkable remote precision. Technicians carefully attach a Hellfire missile beneath the wing, securing it with precise, deliberate mechanical adjustments entirely. The Reaper taxis slowly along the runway, its long, slender wings catching the soft glow of early morning light. Lifting off smoothly, the drone climbs steadily into the dawn sky, propelled forward by its distinctive rear-mounted engine. Cruising silently at high altitude, the aircraft becomes nearly invisible against the vast blue expanse of open sky. The operator studies an infrared feed intently, spotting a suspicious vehicle convoy moving slowly across the distant terrain. The Hellfire missile releases, streaking downward toward its target, with calculated, unwavering precision. A precise explosion strikes the vehicle below, dust and smoke rising as the drone silently observes from high above. With its mission complete, the Reaper turns quietly toward home, disappearing into the glow of the setting sun.